Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This property is designed to accommodate while earning. This is a split level home. Entry floor consisting of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, dining, living area, and a back patio with stairs to the basement. A laundry area, a front patio, and carport. The basement floor is 1,793 square feet of space, accommodating currently 3 tenants. Section 1 has bedroom, living area, and bathroom. Section 2 has living and dining, bathroom and bedroom. Section 3 has 2 kitchens, a bathroom, and a bedroom, in addition to a communal side patio and a laundry area. Staircase to the upper floor. There is also a laundry at the back, and there is still ample space at the back of the house for fruit trees and for further expansion, possibly for recreation purposes. The house structurally is in fairly good condition. Aesthetics for outdoor painting and fixturing of tenanted area may be required. The community of Mickelton Meadows is a decent middle income community on the outskirts of Linstead. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.